Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. This video, I'm going to discuss about that shooting star. Yesterday, we have created a scanner. So, but we didn't able to find out any stock which is on daily basis. But even we can use the scanner in intraday time frame. So that is 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and 4 hours, and daily, even weekly. So, but we last scanner we have created as a weekly scan, sorry, daily scan. So I didn't find out any stocks based on that because we are exactly working for that particular week size is 3.5, and the lower side wick should be one time equal to the body of the candle. So that is what the main condition we are used for to find out a candlestick pattern. So the same thing which you are going to use for a 15 minutes time. So we don't need to change any. So if you have already copied the scanner, so we can easily change in any time frame. So but I'm going to make the scanner for a 15 minutes time frame today. So how it is going to give you an intraday opportunity. So whenever that kind of candlesticks pattern which is present on intraday time frame, so how the market is reversal is possible. So that I'm going to discuss here again. If you are a new, kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, so we will create a new scanner same like that in a 15 minutes time frame. We'll go for a charting and create a scan. So I'm going to create a scan. First I'm going to copy from here. Simply I'm going to use in a future stocks, right? So future and option stocks I'm going to copy. Here I copied it and I pasted here, and I'm going to use for a 15 minutes time frame for a selling opportunity. So 15 minutes, and we are going to use latest 15 minutes time frame, so that I'm going to find out a trade opportunity where I can find it, right? So this is what a 15 minutes time frame where the wick is greater than higher level of market condition, right? So let me run it. So Dabur, Polycap, lot of stocks which we have find out. Let me see. It is already we have checked, right? So we already checked that condition is working good. Yesterday we done it. So on the second one us, we are going to copy and we are going to paste it out. And the time frame only we are going to change here. A 15 minutes time frame. So same like that you can change whatever the time frame you want. You can change it either hourly, weekly, monthly. So you can change it, right? And the last one is, so it must be a red candle, so that condition will filter out a red candle, right? So this is what a red candle, and the last 15 minutes should be the red candle, right? So it is happening a red, and this one should be the candle which we are going to use for the highest level in the last 21 candles. This is where we are not using day high. If you are using day high or a day low, so once the stop loss get triggered, your stock will be disappear from the scanner. So once after you are finding out all the stocks, it will show it is a perfect result, but not like that. So whenever you are using a daily high, so that would be a stop loss trade. When I using so many of them are asking you the questions, I'm going to find out a trade opportunity at the day low level. Let's assume, so if I'm going to find out a trade opportunity at any day low level, so let me find out a 15 minutes time frame. So let me try, this is my day low level, so this may be the pattern. Okay, this may be 1 2 3, but this is looks like a 3-bar reversal pattern, but it is not an exact 3-bar reversal pattern. Let's assume this is happening by day low. So this was the low was up to 10:30. This is the day low for the particular stock. So after that we took an entry here, and finally it around 12 o'clock it triggers my stop loss. So if you see that it made a new low, so this should be the day low, and this is not a day low, but at till 10:30 this was a day low. So the stock will be appear on the scanner, so that that will be appear on the scanner, but it is a real one. Okay, so when your entry is triggered, your stop loss triggered means, so we are finding an opportunity at lowest level. This trade, it stop loss. Okay, so this will not appear on the scanner, but after sometimes later, if you are checking the scanner, it will not appear. So if you are want to real backtest, you can use alert system to get what are the stocks which is forming on that pattern. So even you can use an alert system, right? So this one, that is a condition we are used to for a day low and day high. So once the new low is made, that would be a stop loss kind of trade. Clear? So and same like that, for example, this is the highest level of the day where we get a signal. So still it is not broken the stop loss. This is happening at day high and the market is now, it is in very lowest price. So this is what we are using, day high and day low as our entry condition, day high and low. So that will find out whenever the candlesticks pattern which present on the day low or a day high, that will help you. But what we are using now, we are using a 21, maximum 21 candles. So what we are calculating, we are calculating up to 21 previous candles. 21 previous candles we are used to find out that should be in a highest level. So here it will not repaint. Why? Because of, so maybe this may be the 21 candle high. Okay, previous compared to previous minus 21 candles. But if it is triggers any point of the time stop loss, for comparing this candle as the highest level candle and comparing to the past 21 candles. And if this would be a new candle comparing to the past 21 candles. So this will tell you the whatever the trades which is happened, exactly it will tell you, no problem. So that's why we are using the 21 candles. So that will help you to find out a trade. Let me see. And if I'm using that, how many stocks which is filtered by this scanner. So I'm going to save the scanner first because it is already we are copied from the previous one. So that will perfectly work, no problem for that. So we will save the scan. Already we have the scan. Shooting star will use the same name to find out very easily, but we use 15 minutes opportunity. Right, I'm going to submit it. So let me try it out. How many stocks we got? Some stocks like from today. How many stocks we got it at 9:30 from 9:15. This is out of 9:15. Rain Industries. Let me try it out. Rain Industries, whether it is forming such a great opportunity. We try it out. RAIN. Rain Industries. Can you see that? This is what the exact candle where we are going to find out. That is a shooting star candle where I'm going to take a trade opportunity, and I know that is my risk 84 to 86.5. That is a 2 rupees risk from the trade where the star entry point got triggered on the low and it fallen down to 177, almost 7 point. It is down from the entry point, the first star. And the second one which you are going to see at 9:30, that is again rain, sorry, for 9:15 rain. The second one is 9:15 and 9:30 we have a two stock, Tata Communication and India Bull Housing Finance. Tata Communication, that one, very big risk, almost 20 rupees, and it is broken. That was happening at 9:30. That is also works well and good. From 1147 to 1163 there is a breakdown, and it fallen down to 1119, almost 120, almost 27 point. And next one is India Bull Housing Finance. So like that, lot of stocks. Oh, this is also works good. We are finding out a exact shooting star, and after that we find out some stocks. That is PEL at 945. PEL 945, this one, yes, that is also working good. Then some 5 stocks here and some 2 stocks, Glenmark and M&M Mark. This one is a Glenmark. Okay, that is also working well. M&M Finance. This one. very small stop loss at 11:15. Sorry, 10:15. No? M&M Finance. 10:15. Maybe this, the exact time, 10:15. This one, right? This was a stop loss trade. Can you see on our previous thing? If any stop loss got triggered, it will not available on the scanner, but here it will show you the stop loss stocks also. Stop it and M&M Finance. But I think it is not giving you entry first of all. But this stock will be not removed from the scanner because of we are using a 21 candle high. It is not removed from the scanner, but until this triggers a higher end, but we didn't get any trade opportunity because we are going to wait for this level to break around 149.45. But here it is never break that entry point, so we didn't get an entry first of all. And but even if it is a stop loss trigger, it will not repainted from this scanner. That is what the main important. And again we got a same stock of different stock, AU Bank. Finally it is happening around AU Bank, this one I think around 12 p.m. So right, so this is what a AU Bank, that is also working well. So here there is a scanner which is ready as a perfect one, so we may be using. I hope this may be a useful video to you all. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. If you have any question, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video and thank you very much.